Hello everyone, today I continue Vietnamese sizzling crepes. This time the mini version, and we need a mold to do this. Very flavorful and very healthy to eat with vegetables and fish sauce dips. And you can see I just dropped in Everglade tomatoes. Oh, gorgeous! Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. I want to share everything I know with you. So I have 150 gram pork and a few shrimp. So the pork I dice small. If you don't want to dice, you can mince or grind. I separate the fat and the meat because I want to cook them separately. I cook the fat before so that it rendered out before I add the meat. You can refer to the description box below for all the ingredients and the recipes, because this batter recipe I use the same one as the normal sizzling crepes. You just rice flour and cornstarch. I want to split my shrimps into two so that it don't look very bumpy. Now let's cook I have the skillet that I cooked the meat earlier, so it still have some fat in it. You can start with the brand new clean skillet or pan. At that point, you need to add some oil or fat. I like to use chicken fat or pork fat if I have it on hand. And then I cook the fat first to render. And now the fat pretty much rendered out. I add the pork meat. The pork, when I done mincing, dicing, I add a little fish sauce, a little black ground pepper, and green onion to marinate it for a little, about 10 minutes. But you don't need to marinate it. It's very flavorful if you just cook them right now. And that's it. I set it aside, and now this is the mold that we need to make mini cakes. I use my electrical stove, so I put directly on the stove. Before I add the batter, I brush the mold with oil. You want to add the oil very much because you want your mini cakes come out perfectly. Normally when you go out eating at the market, they will use a lot of oil. But at the house, you do it yourself. You can control the level of oil that you like. One thing that can help if you use coconut in the batter. The fat of the coconuts will help against sticking. But this very basic and easy recipe. I don't use any coconut oil in the coconut milk or coconut cream in the batter. So after I added the batter, I close it up a few minutes, and then I added pork, the cooked pork that we prepared earlier, and then red onion, green onion, mung beans, and the one thing that when you add shrimp that big on top like this, you need the batter below it still wet, otherwise the shrimp don't stick to the cakes. When you remove your cakes, the shrimp go by themselves, and don't look nice that way. You can see my cakes cooked now, and I remove from the mold. You can see the bottom very golden brown, and the shrimp stuck to the cake. That's what you want, and that's it. I invite you to taste the cakes with me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.